Friends, we have a question on an ellipse given to you is P, Q, R and S be 4 points on this ellipse. Okay, so what kind of ellipse is that? Can you quickly see? Divide by 36. Okay, so you get x squared by 4, y squared by 9. That's equal. That's your ellipse. And you can also quickly draw it. Okay, drawing always makes things simpler for you. Okay, so this is the kind of ellipse you have. Okay, let's read more. PQ and RS be mutually perpendicular and pass through the origin. Okay, so P I'm going to take in the first quadrant because I can see both the coordinates are positive. So this upon root 7 and 6 upon root 7. Okay, now how is my PQ? It is passing through origin. Okay, so something like that. Okay, so this is my PQ. And RS is perpendicular, so I will draw something like that. Yeah. Okay, so this is my RS. Now let's focus on what are they asking you. So if this is P by Q, where P and Q are co-prime, then what is P plus Q? Co-prime means what? That they do not have any common factor, right? You have to write it in such a manner. So 1 upon PQ square, that's the value you want to know, plus 1 over RS square. Okay. Now, if I know P, can you get the distance PQ? Definitely yes, right? You can also get the coordinate of Q. But is that needed? No, right? You can just, do twice of OP you can do, okay? PQ is twice of OP. So let's write that. So I can write twice of OP square. Okay. Similarly for RS also, okay? I can figure out what is R coordinate, what is S coordinate, but no need, right? I can just figure out the R coordinate and I can just do twice of OR whole square, right? That's what I can do. Okay, now tell me, can you get OP square? What is my OP square? Yeah, distance of P from the origin, square of that. So I'm going to write that 2 root 3 upon root 7 minus 0. I'm not writing that. Minus 0 whole square plus 6 upon root 7. Again minus 0 whole square. Now what is this? Let's see. 36 over 7. That is 8. 48 over 7. I already got my OP square value. Okay, that's 47. What is the next thing? Getting OR square. Do I know R? No, right? That's the only thing you have to do in this question. Get the R value, coordinate of R. Okay, let's assume something. How do you assume? A cos theta, B sin theta, right? So A is what? 2. 2 cos theta and B sin theta, B is 3. Okay, so this is the coordinate for R. How are you going to figure out what is R? The only thing which is given to you. What is that? That they are perpendicular. Okay, so use that fact that OR is perpendicular to OP. So slope, product of the slope should be -1. So get the slope of OR. 3 sine theta y2 minus y1. Okay, so y2, if you write like that, upon x2 minus x1. Okay, and then OP, again you have to write 6 upon root 7 minus 0. Let me not write 0. Okay, and 2 root 3 over root 7 minus 0. Okay, the product should be negative. Simplify. Root 7, 3 root 3. So sine theta over cos theta, that's your tan theta. Okay, so you end up in getting minus, this is -1, right? The product. Okay, so minus 2 upon 3 root 3. Now what you have to do? Getting cos theta and sine theta, right? So you use your triangle. Okay, so, sine thing we can take care later on. Okay, so this is 2, this is 3 root 3. How much is this? 4 plus 27. Okay, so under root 31. Okay, so what's the coordinate now? 2 cos theta. Okay, so 2 cos theta. Cos theta is 3 root 3 upon root 31. But since you are in the second quadrant, your cos theta will be having, I mean, this will be negative. So you just put a negative sign, though not needed much. But yeah, we have to be sure. This is negative. Okay, sine theta, 3 into 2 upon root 31. Okay, that's your. So basically you got your coordinate to be minus 6 root 3 upon root 31, and this is 6 over root 31. Okay, that's the coordinate R. Okay, now business done, right? Can we get OR square now? Yeah, OR square would be 6 root 3 over root 31 square. Okay, and then plus 6 upon root 31 square. How much is that? This is maybe 6 upon 36 upon 31 I will take out. This would be 3 plus 1, that's 4. Okay, so 36 times 4, that would be 144 over 31. Okay, now let's figure out. 1 over 4 I will take out. OP square we got is 48 over 7. And OR square I got 144 over 31. Take the LCM, multiply by a 3. Okay, that's 144. Multiply by a 3. So 21 plus 31, that's 52 over 144. Is it P by Q co-prime? No, not yet. Okay, so just cancel it. 1, 3. So now is 13 and 144 co-prime? Yes. So just do P plus Q. Okay, so 13 plus 144 and you get 157. Is that an option? Yes. Okay, that's your solution. Okay, let's see another question.